As you guys can tell from the introduction, आज का वीडियो is going to be about सफाई मेरे wardrobe का, मेरे room का, because it's Bihu and Bihu में usually we decorate our homes, we clean our houses. It's like spring cleaning, but festival की वजह से incentive मिल जाता है कि चलो सफाई कर लेते हैं थोड़ा सा, और मुझे incentive मिला है क्योंकि मुझे YouTube वीडियो बनाना है. It's also going to be a pack with me video because I'm going on a short trip with my family. बहुत दूर कहीं नहीं है, पास में ही जा रहे हैं, and it's like a 5-day trip. So I won't be starting with this mess क्योंकि this is going to take a lot of time, a lot of patience. I'm going to start with something small, baby steps लेके मैं start करूँगी. तो चलो लग जाते हैं काम पे. कितनी गंदी लग रही हूँ बाल बांध के. So much better. Okay. So people usually ask me कि मतलब since मैंने बैचलर्स दो और मास्टर्स दोनों अलग अलग सिटी में किया है, एक दिल्ली और एक बनारस में, people usually ask me कि मतलब what is the difference that you have noticed in both of these cities? क्या तुमने उत्तर प्रदेश में discrimination face किया है, क्योंकि you know UP has a reputation, but you know to my surprise I had the greatest time in my masters. I had the most fun, the most loving, caring people there as my friends. तो मेरा तो experience भाई यूपी में बढ़िया गया है. I don't know about others. Somehow maybe I was lucky to find the best people. तो यही है मेरा experience. दिल्ली में it was freedom for the first time ever because I had to leave my whole house behind, my comfort, my home behind, and adjust in a new city. But it was not very difficult for me to adjust. मतलब दिल्ली में जाके लोग जो करते हैं मैंने सब कुछ किया, क्लबिंग वगैरह, पढ़ाई, कॉलेज, इवेंट्स, फेस्ट्स, everything. It was fun while it lasted. But ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब जब खत्म हो गया मेरा दिल्ली वाला जर्नी, I was very sad because I was okay with it. ठीक है, next chapter में move on करते हैं. And then मैं बनारस गई. Initially I was also very skeptical about going to बनारस, going to उत्तर प्रदेश, you know. But मेरी एक cousin भी वहाँ पे पढ़ी है BHU में. उन्होंने मुझे बताया था कि like you know initially you'll feel really left out and like क्या है ये, मतलब कुछ मैच नहीं होता वाइब के साथ, ऐसा टाइप का. But then when it's time to leave you'll feel really sad and heartbroken. And exactly same चीज़ मेरे साथ भी हुआ. The vibe, the people, the घाट्स, the campus. Oh, I loved my campus. Campus तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा amazing था. अगर campus नहीं होता I probably would not have liked it that much. Hostel life अगर मिल रहा है भाई ले लो, because hostel life जैसा कुछ नहीं है. Being among women and sharing everything with women and being there for each other whenever like किसी का दिल टूट गया, किसी का कुछ चोरी हो गया, anything. It's just a lot of fun. And कोई events होते हैं तो hostel में celebrate होता था, तो गाना बहुत बड़े मतलब डीजे बजा देते थे, एंड देन डांस करो, बस डांस करते रहो. इट वाज द बेस्ट टाइम. थोड़ा ज़्यादा मैंने शायद बात कर लिया है अपने कॉलेज लाइफ के बारे में. तो लेट्स गेट बैक टू द क्लीनिंग. हाँ, क्योंकि मेरा ख़त्म नहीं होगा, मेरे को पैकिंग भी करना है. एंड Next in line is my पढ़ाई का टेबल, which might look clean to you but it's bothering me because ये books जो है वो मतलब serially ऐसे मतलब according to their height arrange नहीं है, इसलिए so let's do that. Oh, look at this, it is so cute, it's so cute. ये एक मेरे earpod का बैग है. This is my friend. I got it from my friend. उसका Instagram का पेज का नाम either if I can mention it here or check the description box. It's a chocolate. I'm sure you guys know this. Nostalgic feel करती हूँ मैं Phantom ये खा के. But I don't know how the hell I used to like these so much when I was a kid because it's so sweet. The first bite I took of this was deadly to me because it is so sweet and so obnoxiously flavored. तो बस यही ये पड़ा हुआ है. मैं खाती नहीं हूँ, मैं बस सजाती हूँ इससे. We are back to where we started from. अब मुझे ये mammoth task करना है, which is organizing my wardrobe. I'm finally done with the wardrobe. जान निकल गई मेरी. तो ये करते करते I had shortlisted a few clothing pieces which I'm thinking of taking on my trip. बहुत सारे रखे हैं actually. I'll have to finalize. That is another mammoth task that I have to do because I am really bad at making decisions when it comes to clothes, even more so. But ठीक है, I'll show you what I'm thinking of taking. मैं पहन के नहीं दिखाऊंगी because I'm thinking of making a video or like a short on like what I wore for my trip, you know. So कपड़ा पहन के नहीं दिखाऊंगी, ऐसे ही टंगा के दिखाऊंगी. Okay, I want to start off with this pink cute plaid shirt which I bought from Zudio recently. इसको I'm thinking of pairing it with this skirt. This very utilitarian looking skirt. ये तो मैंने फैंसी बाजार से खरीदा था last summer में. So I'm thinking of this and this together with boots. I think it will be a really cute look. I wish I had a brown belt, like you know, fringe वगैरह वाला belt. बहुत अच्छा लगता, but ठीक है, नहीं है. What? Oh, I had switched on the AC because it's so hot and it's not working now. Lucky खराब है भाई. I can't switch on the fan because then it will drown out my voice. मेरे पास mic नहीं है. I'm thinking of this together, but obviously I'll have to get my mom's approval on it because उनके अगर वो बोलती है कि अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, मतलब नहीं लग रहा है. So after that, I also bought this top recently from Myntra. थोड़ा browns में ही चला रहा है मेरा कपड़ा. So this is like a very structured kind of थोड़ा सा long top. इसको भी will look really good with this skirt, right? But I can't repeat. I don't want to repeat my clothes at least on a trip. तो इसको I haven't figured out what to wear it with. What about this skirt? This I bought from Janpat in Sarojini in Delhi. I love it. I love this skirt. इसके साथ ये would look nice only, I think. पहन के नहीं दिखा रही ना तुम लोगों को, so you can't really tell. Even I can't tell. I have to wear and see. But the top, this top is mandatory. I'm taking this for sure. किसी के साथ पहन लो. Thrifted this recently. Like I got this like yesterday or day before yesterday. I thrifted it from Lovers Wear. If I can, I'm mentioning it here. But if I can't, then I'm going to mention them in my description. It's the cutest, prettiest top, guys. Look at it. Isn't this so pretty? It's so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. This came with this, but I'm not sure if I'm going to wear both of them together because this is see-through. This is not a skirt. This is like something you wear underneath something so that this is showing. So I'm going to figure out a situation where that happens. This is such a steal actually. This dress I got for like 200 या 250 rupees from Fancy Bazaar का footpath का दुकान. It's been quite a while since I bought this. I have worn this also a lot of times, but you know, I'm thinking of taking this. It's very summery and nice, and yeah, so maybe this. You know, I'm not going to any tropical location by the way. I'm not going to Goa. I'm not going to any beach or anything. I'm going to the Pahad. But all the clothes I am showing you are very tropical appropriate. But I mean, I am going to compromise. मुझे लग जाएगी ठंडी पैर में लग जाए, लेकिन मेरे को दिखना है cute and floral and cottagecore. I don't care. So या इतने ही थे, बस कुछ मिसलेनियस आइटम्स यहाँ पे रखे हैं. दिस इज नॉट वर्थ शोइंग टू बी ऑनेस्ट. इट वाज लाइक अ लिटिल ब्रेक फॉर मी. I have to go back to cleaning, and the only one thing left to clean right now is my bathroom. Done and dusted. Bathroom saaf, main saaf. Finally I can chill. Okay, so thank you for watching. I had a lot of fun shooting the video today. Just wait for my next video, which is hopefully going to be a vlog of the trip, but I'm not sure because I feel a little self-conscious when I'm shooting in front of people, and there's going to be people including my family, which is even more awkward for me. But I'll try. I'll definitely shoot something. So okay, thanks for watching. Bye.